I think you're quoting me out of context.
I see what's happening, yeah.
Do you record everything I say?
You don't even know how you feel.
I must get to Alero City. They are in danger.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, who's in danger?
My heart's a stereo.
You don't have what it takes.
But I have heart.
Full disruption of the space-time continuum?
That is a funny story.
You're reckless. You're a loose cannon, and you're dangerous.
That's my shtick.
Wait, God.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
You actually think you're the Buzz Lightyear?
Oh, all this time I thought it was an act. Hey, guys, look! It's the real Buzz Lightyear!
You're mocking me, aren't you?
Oh, no. Buzz, look, an alien! Where?
Hey, nefarious. What? Meet the Omni-Wrench. Galactic Ranger, grab some sky! Galactic Ranger, punk. Put him up. Or just keep shaking. That's cool, too.
You've got a friend in me.